Just a few weeks ago, the government of Pakistan approved plans to begin construction on a pipeline to transport natural gas from Iran to Pakistan. Iran constructed its side of the pipeline years ago, and now Pakistan has finally decided to move forward. Mr. Lowe, do you view this pipeline as Pakistan aligning itself with Iran?
I mean, it's a really interesting question, Representative Lawler, because Pakistan and Iran just traded missile and drone strikes a few weeks ago. So it has been true over time that Pakistan and Iran have had ups and downs in their relationship. They're at a pretty low point today. We are tracking this planned pipeline between Iran and Pakistan. Honestly, I don't know where the financing for such a project would come from. I don't think many international donors would be interested in funding such an endeavor. We've also not heard from the government of Pakistan a desire for a waiver of American sanctions that would certainly result from such a project. Instead, what we are undertaking in the administration is to have a conversation with Pakistan. What are Pakistan's other alternatives? How can we compete for that business? Where can they find other non-Iranian sources of natural gas? And how can we help Pakistan think about the transition to clean energy? Pakistan's very interested in providing energy through solar, through wind, through hydro. How can that begin to replace their dependence on coal and other hydrocarbons? We have strongly condemned Iran's actions.
My last few seconds, can you just touch on the U.S. messaging to the Pakistani government regarding their direct engagement with Tehran on security matters, especially in the context of our concerns, our mutual concerns of nuclear proliferation and Iran's nuclear program?
Sir, we have warned them about our red lines, legislative, but also in terms of how we cooperate with Pakistan. If they get into bed with Iran, it'll be very serious for our relationship.
Okay.